You damn idiot, you lost our ship and gold. You're so stupid. And you probably don't care what I'm saying right now, so I'm done talking to you.
Will you shut up? They will come and get us, okay? Now I'm going to find a coconut.
No, come back here, you ain't going anywhere.
Shut up, will you piece of shit? You know they will come and get us like they always do.
No, they won't. You know what, I'm never talking to you again.
Now who's being stubborn? You acting like a 4-year cum, but you know better.
Okay.
Okay, fine, I'm gone.